The endless rows of tiny wooden houses standing in the middle of the ocean can seem unbelievable at first glance. From a distance, they look like a small village floating on the vast sea. In reality, however, these are not homes, but part of an extraordinary traditional fishing system that has been used for centuries. This unique method is known as Bagan Fishing, also called lift net fishing. These structures are most commonly found along the coastal waters of Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines. Built on tall wooden stilts deep in the sea, these small platforms have supported local fishing communities for hundreds of years. Long before modern fishing technology existed, local fishermen developed this ingenious technique to catch fish efficiently. One of the most fascinating aspects of these platforms is how fishermen travel between them. Instead of using boats, they often walk across narrow ropes stretched from one platform to another. While this may seem incredibly dangerous, experienced fishermen can cross these ropes with ease, even spending hours moving between platforms. Even more surprising is that many fishermen actually live in these tiny wooden houses for days or even weeks at a time. Despite their small size, the shelters contain everything they need, including a cooking area, a place to sleep, and storage for fishing equipment. Some fishermen remain in the middle of the ocean continuously for several weeks, dedicating themselves entirely to fishing. Constructing these platforms is no simple task. Strong wooden poles are driven deep into the seabed before bamboo and timber are used to build the structures above the water. They are carefully engineered to withstand powerful waves, strong tides, and severe storms. In many coastal communities, the same families have maintained these fishing platforms for generations. Fathers teach their sons the traditional techniques, and the knowledge continues to be passed down from one generation to the next. Although living in the middle of the sea may sound exciting, the reality is extremely challenging. Fishermen must constantly battle violent storms, lightning, massive waves, and unpredictable weather conditions. During the day, the platforms appear quiet and isolated, but everything changes after sunset. Nighttime is when the real fishing begins. Each platform is equipped with powerful lights that shine into the water, attracting schools of small fish and various marine creatures. As the fish gather beneath the platform, the fishermen slowly raise a massive square-shaped lift net suspended below the structure. Within just a few minutes, hundreds of fish can become trapped inside the net. While a single lift may not always produce a huge catch, repeating the process throughout the night allows fishermen to harvest a significant amount of seafood. A large Bagan platform can produce several hundred kilograms of fish in a single day. The catch is transported not only to nearby villages, but also to larger cities. Besides fish, shrimp, squid, and other marine species are frequently caught as well. Squid, in particular, are highly attracted to the bright lights used during nighttime fishing. During the daytime, fishermen often leave their nets in the water and haul them up again later in the afternoon. Every day, a boat arrives to collect the fresh catch and transport it to local markets. In places like Sulawesi in Indonesia and several coastal regions of Malaysia, hundreds of these platforms can be seen standing together across the sea. From afar, they resemble an entire village built on the ocean. For many people, these structures are simply an unusual method of fishing, but for the families who depend on them, they represent survival, tradition, and the way of life. This fishing method is especially important for those who cannot afford expensive fishing boats or large commercial trawlers. So while these mysterious wooden houses rising from the sea may look strange and captivating, they tell a remarkable story of human ingenuity. Having survived for centuries, Bagan fishing continues to prove that experience, creativity, and traditional knowledge can achieve extraordinary results.